We are in the process of creating 2 blanks to get each of our 2 rear legs out of. These blanks have 4 boards that are glued together. Thus we have 8 boards so that we can create 2 legs. I attempted to pick good, clean lumber, but there are some minor issues that we need to clean up so that we have good gluing surfaces, because we will be face gluing these together. Now these boards range from about 0.94 to 0.96 or a little more. So I will be starting my machine at 0.95. And before I send these through, I do want to mark both sides. My goal is to only remove the pencil mark so that I can retain the maximum amount of material, because I need to glue 4 of these together and have it equal more than 3 5/16. After one pass through the machine, I can still see light pencil marks, so we will bring the machine down and make another pass. We will do this until both sides are cleaned up. After running those through the sander, my faces are looking really good. However, I do have one piece that has an area on the face that does not look very good. That is not an issue, because I'm just going to make sure to leave that facing out when I glue, because again, we are making this to an oversized measurement, so we will be planing this down and cleaning this up at a later state. I can then flip them up, and I am looking for any large gaps that could not be taken out with a clamp that might pose a problem in the gluing process. All of these look pretty good. I did also notice one piece that has a little bit of a split. I again am going to put that piece on the outside, because this will be planed down at a later time.